the final look of the hair color that we have tried from Lolane. And wait, kukunin ko lang. So, ayan, this is from Lolane, guys. And the shade that I got is Pistachio Latte. So, as you can see, before, yung hair ko is, same, parang ganito siya. Pero, right now, parang naging more on grayish siya. Which is, I like. Kasi na-tone down niya ng konti yung brassiness nung previous hair color ko. Although, I love my hair color before this one. Pero, mas gusto ko to kasi mas mukha siyang doll. Tignan. Basta maganda yung color niya. Ayan, guys. So, if you can see. Kasi, Pistachio Latte is, it has a green color. Meron siyang tone of green. Kaya siguro doon din at na-tone down yung color ng previous hair color ko. And as you can see, pati yung roots, ayan. Pero parang yung color ko lang to, yung previous color ko lang. Na parang yung bleach mo, tapos ayun ngayon, hindi siya mukhang na-bleach. Hair color talaga siya. And I super love the outcome of this color. Tapos, yung ginamit ko pa na conditioner, yung repair conditioner na which is used talaga for damaged hair na, or sa mga hair color na sa mga damaged na hair by using a hair coloring something materials. So, ayan guys, I hope you like this video and I hope I was able to help you out to choose what shade are you gonna try using this Lolane product hair color. Until next time guys, and don't forget to hit like or subscribe.